Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this exquisite, featuring this striking and outstanding curb appeal that was thoughtfully designed for many years to come. You guys are gonna love this home with an open concept living that designed for functionality and enjoying the essence of modern living every day of the week. Join me. This sleek custom kitchen, well built and featuring here abundance of space with so many cabinets. This outstanding gorgeous island with 3cm quartz countertops, just gorgeous and ready to be called home for many years to come, where you guys are going to be able to entertain your friends and family members and enjoy the seamless flow between the living area, the dining room, and this outstanding gorgeous kitchen. Look at this beautiful and outstanding spacious game room, featuring decorated fireplace with tile all over it, gas logs, also featuring plantation shutters in many windows covering of the home. And welcome to this outstanding primary bedroom. So nice and spacious for you guys to relax and kind of tune down in the evenings. Adjacent, we have the ensuite, large vanities with double sinks. We got double showers, standing, and this gorgeous bathtub. Ladies and gentlemen, a paradise oasis, resort style, outstanding custom metal steel door sliding all the way through, so it can be easy to exit and enjoy this beautiful backyard. Ladies and gentlemen, this outstanding backyard, unbelievably and ready for you to call your mini private resort style. Pavers, Italian style, 48 by 48 inches, anti-slip. This beautiful pool was just customly renovated in March 2025. Pebble Tech pool, customly designed, including the jacuzzi, the perfect pool house that built here. A lot of thinking, a lot of design was put into it. Speakers available as well, facing the pool, custom built speakers inside. Just beautiful space to enjoy and relax during the summer nights, with metal sliding doors that welcomes all this beautiful natural light that comes in, enjoying and doing the barbecue with a built-in commercial kitchenette vent. Just an outstanding property that you guys are going to enjoy every day of the week, every night of the week. This is just incredible property in the center of far north Dallas, waiting for you to be called home.